everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making mango and strawberry drink, so let's proceed. We're going to need frozen mango, frozen strawberry, mango nectar juice, grenadine, lemon, sugar, and some whole strawberries. I'm now going to add frozen mango to the blender and then add mango nectar juice. After that, I'm going to add 2 spoons of sugar and I'm ready to blend. Now I'm done blending. I'm going to put it in my jar and wash my blender for the strawberry mixture. Now I'm going to add some strawberry in the blender, followed by grenadine. After that, I'm adding lemon juice, then I'm ready to blend. Now I'm going to start putting them in different glasses that I'm going to use today. You can use any pattern of your choice, different from mine. It doesn't have to be the same. You can also push the strawberry down to the bottom. It just depends on you. I wanted my strawberry to be on the top, that's why I did so. After that, I'm going to add strawberries on each glasses. There we have it. See how beautiful and colorful it looks. Try to make this for yourself, your family, and your visitors during this summer season. If you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye guys.